Ordo Biblioteca International Order of Librarians.
Let me see.
Sapere Aude. You remember it? I don't know, you really don't.
Will never be the same.
Nobody cares about you.
Must be in your house, man. What the? Oh.
When are you free?
When are you free? Because I don't know when.
Yeah?
I just wait for these moments.
Usually on Friday nights.
Tingin kayo. How to use this just put battery on. Push it over the camera right there. Oh, it's next to
She saw us raging.
One thing is 2006.
Arthur, great burger. Good.
Thunderstorm thread.
Sa gabi.
Oo, hindi ko makita eh.
Wow, cool. That's cool. I never knew that.
Am I supposed to be holding it? Oh no, it's why are we? It's like they're so unsuspecting. They stuck it in their hand. That's what he did. Oh my god, it's a funny like say anything. I don't want to.
You wanted to see me, Dave?
Yeah. Been getting a few complaints. Well, it's your lack of overtime. It's making your coworkers uncomfortable.
Well, I am the company's director. And as you can see, I also have hair covering most of my body.
I checked the pictures.
Oh, given these facts.
Ay nakakalaban.
Matanda na.
Hindi, okay ako. Thank you.
Oh, meron pa ako. Bakit yan? Mangga ka dito. Ikaw ba yung kumain? Kumain na ako kumain. Kumain ako ng balon.
Meron ba ito nagtatalong na aking restaurant? Dahil masarap sa nagtita.
May barbecue daw, talukta.
Ah, talaga.
Hindi pa niya lisensya na nababili. Tagal na niya bigyan ng
Parang gusto ko na mag-aral ulit. Hindi pa naman. Hero niya.
Ilang taon na yun? Kamay pag-vlog ka
Wala pang experience kaya mga intercept din
Oo,
pinakakanta.
siya ang ilan. Mga dono.
mataas ang bayan.
Asa ka? Ito pala galaw.
Ayaw na. Doon nilagay nila sa ano.
Ay, sus, pala
Kasi lang sila yung ano ay. Wala. Kakapay. Oh, yay!
Hinahanap ko yung puso sa tinuan.
Good. Good.
Jay, you mock it, and that's what happens.
Yo! Ito yung puta. Oh, pero ginawa mo rin ba yun?
Yes, that's it.
Nandiyan yung ano nyo. Saan?
Nandun sa mesa.
Skyler, Abby.
I've always wanted to feel
Dessert.
Okay, who's gonna start first? You can. All I know is that you do this. Ay, oo. Ang todo, lahat ng pagkain. Sabi ko nga sa
Then you,
kanila.
you don't want to hold it like this because you might cut yourself.
Okay, you can like that. Oh! Kasi pag may asawa, hindi mo na...
Hindi ka na. Halian na. Kakumahanap talaga. Araw na yun. Akala yun. Pwede hanap parang pinagpamalaki na pala.
I know!
Sagot pa naman sa akin. Inulit pa ako bakit.
Dahil pa niya si Lord.
Nakita ko yung sa bahay ng kapatid ko. Ako naman ito. Kami din eh, yung mga... Ayan o. Senior prom. Oh my God.
We're the first one's done already.
Ayan, my...
Is it gonna shoot off?
My fireworks.
Bawal ang bawal dito.
Kanina may parada sa Randolph eh. Tama.
Remember them triangle things?
Hindi. Pwede ako mag-ano.
Ah, they're not pretty strong, girl. You're behind, man. Star things. I like the one the propeller ones. Really was pretty cool.
Yeah, those that like spin up, right?
Ito yung ano ng Pfizer eh.
Kasi kinuha namin yung mga bulaklak doon sa ano.
Household na ano nila.
Hardcore sila para
Parang
girl.
Si Norma ba ito?
Para
Si
mga-
Nora? Si Sonia?
Kasi nga ano namin.
Ibig sabihin, hindi na Pfizer ang pinakamalaki.
Ayan, Colgate Palmolive.
Sabi niya, okay, nakakala ko, nakalimutan ko, nasa patay ako, sabi niya, 1, 2, gumiti pa ako. Siguro sa kaya ako makaas yung
Hindi
picture ng
ba?
pamilya.